This is Jason from the QuickBooks team. If you want to learn how to use a specific feature in your QuickBooks Desktop account, troubleshoot an issue, or just need some help, we're here for you. You can search our help articles, post a question on our community, or connect with an expert to get the help you need. Let's go over how to get help in QuickBooks Desktop and from our help site at quickbooks.intuit.com. Sign into QuickBooks Desktop, select Help, then select QuickBooks Desktop Help. Here you can search for QuickBooks Desktop articles. You can also press F1 on your keyboard from any screen, and QuickBooks will show you help articles related to that topic. Note that this may be function F1 from some laptops. If you still need help, select Contact Us. Let us know what you need help with. If you're having trouble seeing the Contact Us section, drag the help screen up until Contact Us is visible. Then you can start a chat with a support expert or get a call back from the next available expert. In both options, we'll ask you for some contact information so we can help as quickly as we can. We'll give you a time estimate for when you can expect a connection with our experts. We also offer support outside of your QuickBooks product. Go to quickbooks.intuit.com and select Support. On the Learn and Support site, choose your specific desktop product, and then type in some keywords to search the entire QuickBooks help site. You'll find our official support articles, videos, and any relevant community questions that others like you have asked. You can also access the QuickBooks community to ask and answer questions. Select QuickBooks Q&A. Select your product and the topic you want to know about. You'll see posts related to that topic, and you can start a new discussion and get answers from our community of users. If you still need help, you can choose Contact Us from many Learn and Support pages. That's it. If you're ever stuck, need help, or want to learn something new, we're here for you.